Alright, I just wanted to talk about something called bioacoustics. It's the sounds that animals make, such as dolphins, and also elephants and wolves and eagles and all the animals. Even human beings have something called bioacoustics. You can tell if there's a health problem in human beings because each organ in the body resonates with some frequency. And I have a digital piano here, and I just wanted to go through some of the frequencies or the range of sound that are quite interesting. The spectrum of sound goes from the lower to the higher frequencies. I suppose ultrasound would be something far higher frequency than what this keyboard can allow.